gentlemen, and welcome to Miss Spelling Game! And of course, until now, our contestants from Centro Scholastica, Jennifer Ong, and from Multi-Technique University, the smartest one there, Carlo Guerrero. This is your Miss Spelling Game. Let's get, come on, are you ready?
Sir! Yes, sir!
Are you ready, Jennifer?
Yes, sir!
All right. Jennifer, we start with Joe. Your word is banquete. As in, a banquete is a grand formal dinner. Last night, I attended a banquet at the hotel. Jennifer?
Banquet. V-A-N-C-U-T-E-Y.
Jennifer?
Banquet.
I am happy to tell you that is correct. That is correctly wrong. Carlo, your word is?
Sir.
Please listen.
Sir.
Read my lips.
Yes, sir.
Stomach. As in, I thought she was pregnant because her stomach was very, very big. Stomach.
Stomach. I-S-T-O-O-M-U-C-H. Stomach, sir.
Carlo, they say you're the smartest in your school.
Yes, sir.
But that is wrong. Jennifer,
Sir.
please try again, harder. Your word is salsa gay. As in, for breakfast, Jennifer had 2 eggs and 1 salsa gay. Jennifer?
S-A-L-G-A-Y. Salsa gay.
Jennifer,
Sir.
you're wrong again.
Oh.
Carlo, listen. The word is pisaichik. As in, our very famous friend, Madame Auring, is a pisaichik. Carlo?
Pisaichik. P-E-E-S-I-D-E-C-H-I-C-K. Pisaichik.
Carlo, that's the wrongest answer in the world.
Ow.
And for you to know the correct answer, here is the right spelling.
Pisaichi. P-I-S-A-Y-T-S-I. Pisaichi.
Pisaichi. P-I-S-A-C-H-I-E. Pisaichi. Pisaichik. P-Y-S-H-I-C-K. Pisaichik.
Okay, Jennifer,
Sir.
please save yourself.
Yes, sir.
The word is disquisite. You know, what happened to my friend was he releasing and disquisite. Disquisite?
This Guisi. T-H-I-S-G-U-E-S-S-Y. This Guisi.
You spelled that very fast.
Yes, sir.
It's wrong. Carlo, your word is Claudius. As in, imagine me without Claudius. Carlo?
Claudius. C-L-A-W. T-H-E-S-E.
Carlo?
Claudius.
Carlo?
Yes, sir.
That's wrong.
Oh.
The 2 of you are wrong again. You're the most wrongest spelling geezers. All right, see you again next week here in Miss Spelling Gee. Let's get, come on. What's so hard about the word?
kayo nakawig?
Eh, para po hindi kami nasasaktan. Di ba? Dali mo na nga eh. Sige mo.
Naman mo ko, hindi ko naman alam kung bakit.
Hindi mo alam? Hindi mo alam? Pinamamalita mo sa mga kaklase ko, ha? Tatanga-tanga ako sa eskwelahan, ha?
Bakit? Alam ko bang sikreto mo yon? Sikreto mo pala yun eh. Ano sinabi?
Tama na, ha? Ano ba? Ba't kayo nag-aaway?
Eh kasi ito tinutokso niya daw ako supot.
Hoy, ikaw bukas, dali mo yung magulang mo dito. Ikaw, bukas na bukas, sasama ka sa akin. Magpapatuloy ako, sabay tayo. Ito.